What happened to Joleen Cummings, a loving mother who disappeared and never returned? Well, today, more than 3.5 years after she was last seen alive, Kimberly Kessler, the woman accused of murdering her, is on trial. Good evening to you. Thank you so much for watching us here at 7 o'clock. I'm Jessica Clark. Kessler, though, the defendant, not in the courtroom. She made a brief appearance before a judge removed her for her disruptive behavior, something we've seen before. On your sides, Ann Schindler has been in the courtroom all day and has the latest from Nassau County for us.
The state called more than a dozen witnesses today in a case without a body or a known murder weapon. Prosecutors are planning on building their case on a mountain of what is fairly compelling circumstantial evidence.
There is some things a little off about her. I can't put my finger on it.
The former owner of Tangle's hair salon reading text messages from Joleen Cummings about her coworker Kimberly Kessler.
She is just real smart-mouthy towards everyone. It's been a week. I'm just trying to avoid her. She has been real negative.
Despite that, prosecutors said today Kessler was already plotting her demise.
But as Joleen Cummings made plans for the next day of her life, the defendant had planned Joleen's death.
As usual, Kessler herself made only a brief appearance before she was removed for being disruptive. Joleen Cummings' mom testifying that after that final May 12th shift with Kessler, her daughter vanished.
You never heard from her again? No.
Have you seen any social media posts from her?
No, she didn't even acknowledge her birthday.
But Kessler's attorney Tom Townsend told jurors that while there was evidence of a violent confrontation between the two women,
there is simply no evidence of premeditation.
He suggested the extensive blood evidence tells a different story.
These are wounds of a defensive nature that you're going to see on Kimberly Kessler.
Now, that last comment, as you might expect, caused some unhappiness among Joleen Cummings' family members and friends who were in court all day today, as did a late-in-the-day attempt by the defense to bring in some evidence that they said would link a baggie that may have contained a substance, a drug of some kind, to Joleen Cummings. The judge today saying there wasn't enough evidence that he could see to connect the two, and he was not going to allow that evidence to come in. Court begins tomorrow, again at 8:30 at the Nassau County Courthouse. Ann Schindler, First Coast News, on your side.